Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss about heat capacity. So this is the quantity of heat to be supplied to effect a temperature rise of 1 degree. The formula is dq equals C into dt. So C is the heat capacity of the substance. So heat capacity of unit mass of a substance is also specified, also specific heat of the substance. Okay. So of unit mass, heat capacity of unit mass of a substance is specific heat of that substance. So here heat capacity will be depending on on the way in which heat is supplied. So in this, the constant volume system will be unable to do any work and the quantity of heat required is dq equals cv dt. So this will be the formula. For constant volume, the volume is not changing. Cv is the heat capacity at constant volume. Cv equals dou Q by dou T at constant volume. So this is the final formula here. One note point is du equals dq when the process is in constant volume. So this is the important note point. So we get, see, in the place of dq we just substitute as dou u. Dou Q, dou U by dou T at V. So next is if the heat is supplied to a substance at constant pressure. So two types of heat supplying we are doing. One is constant volume, one is constant pressure. So here in constant pressure it is free to expand doing work against constant pressure. So a part of heat is utilized for the work of expansion and more heat will be required to raise the temperature than that required in constant volume process. For the same temperature range, the amount of heat required is related to the temperature rise as dq equals cp into dt. So this is for the constant pressure process. Cp is the heat capacity at constant pressure. Cp equals dou Q by dou T at H. At constant pressure, what happens? Our internal energy will be equal to dq minus P dV. So dq will be equal to du plus P dV, that is dH. So only this dq term will be equal to du plus P dV, which is dH. So we are substituting in the place of dou Q, dou H by dou T at P. So I think this is the explanation which you will definitely understand. So here note point is Cp will be always greater than Cv. So the difference between Cp and Cv will be very small for liquids and solids. The internal energy is a state function. So it doesn't depend on the path. It depends on the initial and final temperature or range or whatever the value will be there. Only on that it is depending. So here in constant pressure process, the heat is divided into two parts. That is also very important. Please note it. Remember it. A part of heat is utilized for work of expansion. One part of heat is used for just expansion. Okay, expanding. But when more heat will be required to raise the temperature than that required in constant volume process. So this will be the thing. I hope you will understand. Thank you.